Hey Gene, making this video for you. So let's just start from the very beginning. Let's download the Teleplay app from the App Store. Yeah, okay, that's a little easier. Okay. So it should be this one right here. Maybe zoom in a little bit. Okay. Waiting for it to download. And I'm just going over from the beginning because, why not? And I have your email right here, so I'll go over each point. Okay, but first of all, let's get this set up. So click on Allow, click on PicPulse, click OK, and you can just say Not for now, just to keep it simple. So now we're at the screen right here. So once you get to this screen, go to the gear icon, make sure that the PicPulse button is on, and then the email field, enter the email address you used to purchase PicPulse, which I believe you've already done. Okay, so that's it. So let's say, now we can start selecting a background. So for example, let's go to, give me a second. So for your website, categories which I would recommend for you from here are nature backgrounds, AI generated backgrounds, specifically within the photo section right here. So for example, like this. And by the way, there is no delete button for backgrounds. So whenever you download a background, it simply replaces the one before it. And it same goes if you go to here from photo library, if you want to select your own background. I don't know, let's do like this. Obviously, terrible background doesn't work with what you're doing, but bottom line, what I'm trying to say is anytime you download a background, it simply replaces the one before it. So you don't have to delete anything. Okay, so now let's upload one of your products from your website. So let's go to your foreground. So we have this image right here. The first thing if we want to use this specifically as a foreground, the first thing we should do is click here, click on Save to Files, and just click Save. The key thing is that it's saved to your files, and that only applies if you want to create a custom foreground using your products. So now we can go back to, click here, click on your foreground, and click on this AI background removal tool. Now it's going to go through the files section. Now it's going to remove that background, that white background. Saves you time from removing a background in case you don't have an existing PNG file. Okay, save in the app. Okay, so now we have this beautiful Tumbler, I believe it is. And then we can start playing with different backgrounds. So for example, AI generated backgrounds, go to photo preview. Maybe like this will work better. I don't know. No, okay, that doesn't work. Maybe this table. I'm trying to find something which meshes well with it. No. Oh, okay, that kind of fits. Kind of blends right in. But maybe that's not the scene that you're going for. So something else I wanted to show you. So let's say you go to your background, and now you can say from AI. So you can say up, close, surface, wooden, table. And then you can say like abstract art in the background to match. So abstract art in background. Let's see what we get. Okay, let's try to add some more details. Bokeh effect. Okay, that can kind of work. I'm not a huge fan of this, but let's play around with this. So how about up close surface, maybe white table? Let's see if that works. Okay, maybe we're getting there. Maybe like abstract art gallery. Okay, maybe that can work. So another thing I wanted to show you, click hold on this, and now we can have a shadow. Okay. I think it adds a little realism. Okay. So now let's remove this. Now we can add some cool foreground effects. For example, you can maybe click on this, click on draw. Okay. That's one foreground effect we can do. Now we can add something on top. Maybe go to sparkle and particle effects because this category works with like pretty much anything. What if we do glitter falling? This is a brand new effect that we just added. So once you download an effect, you don't have to wait for it to download again. And you know, oh yeah, sorry, let me wait for it to download. Okay, so now we have this glitter effect. We can resize, we can do anything we want. Let's say you want, let's say you want the video, so you just hold the red button. Okay, I'm gonna make a very quick video because I don't want it to be processing for a while. By while, I mean like a minute or something. It really depends on the size of the foreground effects you have in terms of file size. So it should save to your photo gallery where the rest of your photos and videos are. Okay, so you get the idea. So to remove a foreground effect, you just hold and then click on the trash can icon. To remove this neon, just hold, click on the trash can icon. And let's say you have more than one effect. For example, let's get the glitter back in there. Let's say you want the glitter behind the tumbler. So let's move the tumbler like that. And now notice how the glitter is behind the tumbler. And now let's say we want to remove only the glitter. So click on that, hold, click on the trash can icon. That's all there is to it. Okay, so please let me know if this helps. I'm here if there are any questions.